Audience, haven't seen you for a while. I'm out disc golfing, golf disking. What do you call it, guys? We're out here at Ewing Park. It's a little muddy. Holy crap! It's a good day though. I think it's like 57 out here with my friends from Minnesota. Let's analyze Brian's throw here.
Yep. Hello. Jeez, nice.
Not bad. Not bad.
Want to videotape yours?
Yeah, let's do it. It's pathetic.
This is Zach's first time, so let's get the full body. Zing! I lost it.
Come back.
There it goes.
No! I hit a bird.
That's pretty good. You're over by me, though.
Yeah. So this is how I spend my days. Nice Friday. Relaxing with friends. Well, that's all I got for you today. Enjoy your day or whatever.